Welcome to Design Adventures with Warren. My name is Warren Shea, and I'm a sophomore from the greater Los Angeles area. Come join me on my journey as I learn design and architecture. In this blog, I will share with you projects I've worked on to hopefully inspire you and get your creative juices flowing. Some projects that will be featured include this haunted house, this G-Wagon, this Nutcracker, this pastel succulent, and this 3D printed structure. Many of my projects were created using Tinkercad, a free introductory software that we used in my CAD class last year in school. I encourage you to sign up for an account and tinker away yourself. When you click Create and select 3D Project, you're greeted by a blank workplane scaled to fit a 3D printer, which is what you see here. There's many pre-designed items for you to drag and drop onto the workplane, but I'll stick with basic shapes for now. You can even add one of these. Lots of stuff to look through and choose from. Drag and drop onto the plane, and you can resize, rotate, and even tilt your objects. So, let's take another object and overlap it with this first object. But you can use this to lower it inside, and use this cube on the side to move your camera. I'll do this just for demonstration. And okay, so press Hole to hollow this shape out. And while this is still highlighted, press the Shift key and click on the other. This grabs both shapes, and you can use this button here to group them, or Control G on your computer, and that makes a hole. I use this as my window on the haunted house project. I made this as part of the Tinktober challenge that they had for all their members in the week of Halloween 2023. The challenge was to design specific Halloween related things, and I chose to do a haunted house. I created almost everything from scratch here, except for the light bulb, the pumpkin, and the bricks on the bottom. But all these, I did use the same method I just showed you and played around with it. I highly encourage you to try this, and this is what I did last year.